Yo, what's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to the channel, man. I'm back like I never left, pulling another video off the shelf for you guys. And today is the day that I finally got that phone call that my Camaro is ready. So it's been a long time for this vehicle. I feel like it's been about 2 weeks. It hasn't been that long. It feels like it's been a long time. But we about to go pick it up. We about to see what type of work they did. And I was lucky enough to get my whole front end PPF. So at first they told me they wasn't going to be able to do the whole PPF, but it looks like they got approved by my insurance. So I got the whole front car PPF now. So that is great news. So we about to head over there and check it out. Game on comfort mode today. We got the Crocs going on and we got the boxing gloves in the car because the wife daily has been my daily. So yeah, shout out to 100 Gang Nate, the whole MOC actually, because you know they encouraged me to get into boxing. It's a great workout, so that's what I've been doing. Starting off 2 days a week, but now I'm gonna ramp it up to 3 days a week since my endurance is slowly building up. And I was looking at my phone. I realized I dropped the car off on the 24th and today is the 18th, so they didn't technically have my car for a whole month to work on it. So that's pretty crazy. I've been a month without my car. It didn't feel like it, maybe because I was gone for a couple days, but damn, that's a pretty long time to replace the bumper, paint it, and I guess do PPF, but that's not that bad, I guess, when I'm thinking about it. So that sounds about right. We have finally made it here, and they got it. Look like they got to sit it up front, waiting for me here. So we're gonna see what type of work they done. Shout out to Royal Collision here that's been doing the work for me. So we're about to see how well they treated me, how they color matched it and everything, and yeah, go from there. And y'all know, if y'all remember in my last video, I did leave valet mode, so we're gonna check and see what all they done. So before I step in here, let's just hop out the car and check to see what do they do. So they look like they have a nice BMW here, so they working on all kind of cars. The i8 sitting down there, which is nice. The i8 and the look like a X3 and a Mercedes, so they working on all kind of cars. But sheesh. Look at it. Okay. They cleaned it all up for me. Polished the wheels. They polished the wheels and tires for me. Look at that. And they got the film on there, man. It has a nice PPF film. That's what I'm talking about, man. Now, it looked like they switched my spoiler up a little bit, but I'm not going to complain because it's still a 1LE spoiler. It's a gloss black instead of the like matte black, but I think that's right. That's the right color though. But we're going to walk in here, pay for it, and see how well she drives. Feels good to have her back looking good. All right, so I officially checked out, paid the nice little balance that the insurance gave me, and I finally got the key. So I'm about to do a nice little cold start, but first we're gonna walk around the vehicle real quick just so we can see all the fantastic work they have done so far. So as we can see here, the paint from the side looks really good. The absorber and everything looks good. Nice gloss paint that they was telling me, like, so it's different than what I had originally, but I'll take it because it matched this a little bit better. So can't complain there. I have the nice little, they didn't change that, they tightened that for me. And what's crazy is that they PP'd up every single part. So y'all can see there, the PPF was here, PPF on the whole bumper, PPF way down here. So I really can't complain about the work. Like, the PPF is nice. Now, as we walking around the whole car and everything, it's like one thing they did tell me that based on GM coming out the factory, that the bumper, like this bumper here in this section, is kind of loose. That's due to a fitment issue coming from GM. See, as y'all can see there, like they said, if I could push it in, you can see that it still get that little lip there. but that's not the credit to that's not fault for them. That is from GM. So it is what it is. The good thing about this is that it is warranted. The whole front bumper, the whole film, and everything is warranted by them, long as I'm the owner of this vehicle. And y'all know that I'm not selling this vehicle yet, or am I? No, I'm just playing with y'all. I'm not selling it at all. But yeah, as long as I'm the owner of this vehicle, the whole front bumper is warranted for me. So that's a good thing. Walking around the car, everything still looks good. I gotta get this fixed. I'm gonna go to the shop and have them redo this. That's not the damage that came from the tire incident. But overall, I'm happy to have the car. Looking at it with the sun hitting it, I can actually see the paint work and everything that they did. So the paint work on the bumper is great. It's matching it, and I guess that comes from it being in PPF. So yeah. So now with that being said, we about to give you guys a nice little cold start. You know I gotta unlock this before I can listen to my jam. So now we good to go. We will check out all the other stuff later, you know, so all the recordings and all that. So we'll check that out in a little bit. Chilling over there in the corner. Bring my motivation back. They're telling me to go ahead and wrap it. Let's get that reaction. I haven't been in this car in so long, I forgot how good it sounds, man. This is crazy how good it sounds, and the pops. Damn, I miss it, man. Can't believe I've been gone from it for a month. It doesn't feel like I've been gone that long with not having this car. I can tell you one thing though, I have been saving a crap ton of money on gas. I'm not gonna lie. Like, I've been saving a lot of money on gas not driving this car, but now it's time to get back to work, get back to making the content. Not like the content have been stopping, but still, just getting back to doing what I do best. I know my neighbors is pissed that this car is back. I know they thought I sold it or something because it's been gone. They've been gaining their sleep and all that. But nope, I'm back to cause havoc again. Like that, y'all, that's gonna wrap this video up, man. I'm so excited to have the car back after a month-long wait. Next video, I will just share with you guys further details. But till then, shout out to the MOC, man. If y'all haven't subscribed to them already, they're my feature.